going to Carter's Cool Toys. We're building the Hot Wheels today, and they have ramps and jumps.
Hello. Okay, so today we are going to do some racing, Hot Wheels racing.
Yes.
So we've got our track, and I need you to pick 5 cars, and I'll pick 5 cars.
I pick these.
Show me yours.
This is yours.
One for
This
me.
trophy.
Can I have this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have this blue car.
Can I have this one?
Yeah. You can have this.
Okay, so I've got.
Big one.
And I also want the orange.
Okay.
He looks good.
And I'll have the 5.
Whoa, whoa. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 7. Are we just doing more? All right.
Is this
1,
5?
2. 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
you
4.
put this in backwards.
Well, that's it. Let's do 6 each. Okay. Who's going first? You or me?
Me.
Okay, put your racer up there. I'll turn on the booster.
No, not this one.
Let's see who wins. Oh, no to go. Okay, I'm going to race the truck, boys. Okay.
Guys, I got it.
Ready? Ready? Oh! Woo!
No.
Let's count it continue. Okay, your turn. 2, 1.
He has to be out because he owes maybe, but he couldn't have enough space.
You're taking my car off. He's a winner.
No, he needs to make it in the box.
You're going to make it in the box? Okay.
But he couldn't have it. No, these two are. That one's not there.
Oh, he flipped.
Because you hit it too far.
He didn't even stay on his wheels. Okay, you'll go. What's next? Gunner.
To guns. Ow!
I'm going to be honest, this one looks a little bit bored. Let's see what it does. Oh, man.
Because he
He didn't even make it to the booster.
because you hit it too hard.
Okay, go for it. We've got 3 left. Okay.
No! That wasn't supposed to happen.
Okay. Take 2. Take 2.
You're not.
One.
That wasn't. That wasn't. You can't push it. You have to put it back in the pack. Woo! No, my God!
Yeah, come on. Someone's got to win.
Yeah!
Woo!
My team's the champion.
But out of 12 cars, only 1 made it. You know what we need? We need another booster. Do you agree? Do we need a booster?
Yeah.
Let's
We
get
need
one.
the older one. We need another booster.
Okay, Carter, what country do we live in?
In Dubai?
We're in Dubai in the Middle East, so we can't get Hot Wheels very easily. So we had to wait for them to come all the way from America, and it's been a really long wait, but we are super excited that we now have another booster set and another super cool fast car. Let's get this hooked up.
Because you're gonna get winning. This can be your car. This can be your car. So we can have 2
1
winners.
minute. We need batteries.
This can be your 2 winners.
Okay, so we've added another booster into
Yeah.
our track because
Yeah.
previously only 1 car, which was blue, made it to the end, so Carter was the winner. We've made our teams bigger,
Yeah.
and now we're going to do a take 2.
And we're gonna have boost.
Switch on the boosters. ready again? Last car.
Please like it and subscribe.